Okay, this is stock number 8-171K. This is a 2007 or 7 of '07. It's actually a 2008, I'm sorry, because of the production date. Ford Escape, base model. It's got a 2.3 California emissions PZEV motor, all-wheel drive, automatic. No check engine light, but we get 218, 314, a little high on the mileage. The engine has been replaced in this thing. It's a junkyard replacement. Seems to be okay, but no idea for miles. So I'm just taking it for a quick spin here just to see how the transmission and everything goes. This thing's got some pretty good rust issues, so hopefully I don't end up dog tracking and get stuck on the side of the road here. It definitely doesn't steer very well. Transmission seems like it is shifting all right, but it's all over the road. I can't really get it. I mean, I felt 3 bumps, but I don't know for sure if it was in overdrive. I only get it up to about 40, 42. Just it started swaying, so I think I'm all set on that one. But drivetrain wise, seems like it's all right. I'll show you a pic of the motor in a sec here. Okay, so this is the motor. Like I said, it's like looks like a used replacement from LKQ. I mean, except for the belt noise, which it kind of needs a belt, as you can see. That's the squeaking. But aside from that, there were no other noises when it started up, and there's no smoke, no fluid transfers, no anything like that. Antifreeze looks okay. So, on all the fluids are up there. So, don't really know the mileage on it, but I mean, it does seem like a good motor.